Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a guided tour of the luxury train from Cairo to Aswan. Here is our lovely double cabin. Have a quick look around. As you see, full of all modern technology to ensure your comfort throughout the night. The tour here is behind these beautiful burgundy curtains. The wardrobe, book, hanger 1 and hanger 2. We have your air conditioning system from freezing, which it is right now, to hopefully a little warmer later, and our own private emergency brake should that be necessary. And here a volume control for, I don't know, we don't know yet, but I'm sure we'll find out through the night. We'll keep it on low. And let's move on to the toilets. We have our mirror, yeah, and our own private fire extinguisher, and little glass, soap, 2 bars, and here, this is the shower. Yeah. It's only a double cabin, but it's a 3-seater, and as you can see, passenger number 2 is very comfortable right now. This will sooner or later turn into a bed, as will this, with each our own light controls. There, bedtime reading, and so as you can see, there's plenty of okay, the power is off. So very good that we just came from inside the pyramids and we brought our own little lamp. So I can also show you this sarcophagus, which is our air conditioning system. Okay, there's a whole extra room down there. Yeah. And thus ends our lesson for today about the luxury sleeper train from Cairo to Aswan. Over and out.